Hey everybody, Tanya with Shooting Star SVG back, and today I am going to talk about how to install themes in your Shopify store that are not directly from Shopify. So this is strictly regarding the ThemeForest themes from Envato. I'm going to include a link in this video that will direct you to the Shopify themes and templates, and here you can see this is the walkie theme. This is what I currently use on my website, and there is a lot of different themes here that are useful for what you're trying to do on your Shopify store. So just take a quick look at those. I will be doing a video slash a blog post shortly now that I'm back up and running after being on night shift and this crazy pandemic we have going on some of the better themes for Shopify based off of what you're trying to do. So anyways, what you're going to want to do is you're going to find the theme that you want, right? And you're just going to go ahead and purchase it. After you purchase your theme, what will happen is that ThemeForest will send you a confirmation email, okay? And you can see I purchased this the beginning of this year. You'll be able to open up your account and go to My Downloads. And when you go to your account back page, you will download the files. Now here you can get all the files and documentation, including your license certificate and your purchase code. This is important because when you go to load your new theme into Shopify, you're going to have to enter this information in, okay? So you want to make sure that you have that. Okay, so when you download, all of your files and documentation is going to be in a zip format, so you're going to have to extract that, right? So this is what it will look like. It will have any updates, the user manual, and your installation zip file, and it is important that this stays as a zip. Now, if you're unfamiliar with how to zip and unzip files, I do have a video on my YouTube channel for that. You can just go ahead and search for it, and I'll walk you through how to do that, right? So once you get everything into a folder, then you will see these zip files here. And just make sure you either keep that folder open or you know where you're navigating to, because that will be important for the next step. When you go to your dashboard on Shopify, basically this is what you'll see when you log in. You're going to want to click on Online Store, and you're going to click on Themes. Now you can see here that I already have this installed. It's a pretty straightforward process. Okay, you're going to do this like you would do any other theme. You're just going to click on Upload Theme and choose your file. I think you can also drag it over, so we'll go ahead and try to do that since I do have it open. So you can actually, nope, that did not work. So you can go to Choose File. I know mine went into here, and then you click on your zip file and click Open. Now what that's going to do is it'll show the .zip. You click on Upload File, and it's going to start working. Hopefully this does not override anything for me, because I will be completely devastated if it overwrites anything on my website. I don't think it will, because this is it's a newer version. But basically what it will do is it'll sit there and spin. Now when you're installing a new theme like this, what I highly recommend is you customize everything before you load it in to be a live theme. The reason for this is because you don't want to load it in and then have it look all wonky. You want it to look the way that you want it to look, okay? The cool thing about these new themes is they're very much user-friendly. There are some things that you have to figure out. I'm more than happy to help with that. I do have a little bit of advanced knowledge with website building. Just shoot me a message on my website or contact me on this video, and I can try to walk you through it. I definitely had to do some tweaks of this theme, but overall I'm really happy with it, and I can just go ahead and show you while that's loading in what that looks like. So, I mean, I have some mega menus going on here with this theme, which is cool. Instead of having the drop-down cascading menus, this is very useful for me. I can do different layouts. It has different features that, you know, these features with the pictures here, I wasn't getting on the other basic Shopify themes that I had. So I'm able to drop in a lot of different aspects here and these different badges and things, which is very like user friendly. They kind of pop a little bit more. I have this revolution slider, which is really cool, where I can, you know, put different things on there as far as, you know, custom orders and my YouTube tutorials and everything like that. So it's going to take a little bit to load because, you know, it is a larger file, but once you get it there, it will not be live. Okay, it's going to be in your theme library. You can see that this is actually an updated version. So just go ahead and click on customize. And what it's going to do is it's going to come up with the theme loader. And one of the first things it should ask you is to enter in that product key. I would pull open the PDF, but then y'all would have my product key, and I'm not sure if that would deactivate my license, so I'm not going to go through and share all that. So there you go. This is the first thing that will pop up with. You can use one license for one domain. And basically, you're going to have to enter in that purchase code from that previous window there. So you can see when you click on download, you can use the text file or the PDF file. It's going to give you a very long code that you can enter in here. And what that's going to do is it's going to unlock everything in that theme for you. And then you can just go ahead and customize to your heart's desire. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. I'm actually just going to delete this out. It's good that I did this because now I know that there are some updates to this theme that I can actually install with my current theme. If you want to remove a theme, you just click on Actions and click on Remove, and that will remove it. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple. That's really all there is to it. I'm not going to go into any more detail than that. So again, I will put a link down for how you can get here and look for a blog post / video in the future on some of these multi-purpose themes, some of the better themes, probably like the top 5 to 10 from ThemeForest that I prefer, especially for digital downloads, drop shipping, and e-commerce itself. So hopefully y'all got something out of this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a line. I'm going to add this into the Shopify building playlist per request from somebody who asked me today on a Facebook group. And I hope everybody's doing fantastic considering we are all quarantined. I know we have a lot of time on our hands. So it is the perfect opportunity for you to go ahead and start building on your website if you haven't done that already. With that being said, if you haven't already, please feel free to click like and subscribe below. That definitely keeps me motivated to keep these videos going. I haven't really done any lately because I've been on night shift, and then trying to readjust to this whole shelter in place thing has really kind of thrown my routine off. But looking for ideas. So if y'all have something you want to see, let me know, and we'll go from there. Links in the bio of this video for ThemeForest. So if you have any questions, just hit me up, and I hope y'all have a great night.